In today's video, I'm going to show you how to personalize the MSN homepage so you can see more of the content you actually care about. If you use MSN for news, weather, sports, finance, or entertainment, customizing the homepage can make your experience a lot more relevant and a lot easier to browse. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to msn.com. As soon as the MSN homepage loads, take a look at the top area above the widgets. You should see a personalized icon there. This is the main tool you'll use to change what appears on your homepage. Click that personalized icon to open the customization options. When the menu appears, you'll usually be taken to the Discover tab. This is where MSN lets you choose the types of content you want to see more often. You can browse through the available categories and pick your preferred content based on your interests. For example, if you like sports, you can select sports-related topics. If you prefer finance, entertainment, technology, or local news, you can choose those too. The more you personalize these selections, the more likely MSN will show similar content on the homepage in the future. This helps the site learn what you want to read and makes the page feel much more tailored to you. After choosing your preferred content, take a moment to review the page and see how the recommendations change. In many cases, MSN will begin adjusting the articles and widgets you see based on those preferences. Now, there's one more helpful area you should know about. In the left bottom corner, you'll also find content settings. Click on content settings if you want to refine the style of your homepage even further. Here, you can choose your preferred style and adjust how the content is presented. This gives you more control over the layout and feel of the MSN homepage so the page looks the way you want it to. If you ever want to go back and make more changes later, you can return to the personalized icon or content settings at any time and update your choices. That's what makes this feature so useful. It's quick, flexible, and easy to change whenever your interests shift. So, to recap, open your browser, go to msn.com, click the personalized icon on top of the widgets, use the Discover tab to choose your preferred content, and then check content settings in the lower left to pick your preferred style. Once you finish those steps, your MSN homepage should start reflecting your interests much more closely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.